Welcome back. Y'all already know I'm rushing, so I'm just come around and do this real quick. Yes, I have a market. Oh, haste makes waste. Let me stop. All right, so yes, one coaster set. I don't think I have anything else to unmold. I think that's it. This is the last thing from my last batch of projects. Ay. Okay, I was unsure about taking this out. We're gonna see if it was against my better, oh, it's probably against my better judgment because I already see white coming off on my hands. I don't know why I was that close to the camera, my bad. Oh, yeah, it was against my better judgment, but it's okay. It's okay. That just means one less thing to do when I get back home. So I'm not gonna stack them in that, because it has the white I need to go over again, because like if you see there, it like whatever, that white is thick. Anyways, coasters, yeah. Ooh yeah. I'll just pile them on top of this. This one, yeah. Ooh got white paint all over my hands. All right. And these are fine because I did do a clear layer on top of it, like in the thing, so those are fine. Yeah. These are gorgeous, if I must say so myself, and I must. Yeah. Oh, this got a little bit of gold in it. This is what happens when you don't clean your workspace in between projects, Janae. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'm gonna do another layer over this one, but it is gorgeous. I'm gonna have to do like a paint over it, and then on the top parts here where it's white, yeah, and on the side, anywhere that there's like a prominent white, I'm gonna have to go over it again. These are all fine though. Shoot, I'm tempted to bring these as is, but I'm gonna behave. They're set, no rush. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and just like everything else we do here at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by faith, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.